exercise 3.5, we will study cross multiplication method. What is cross multiplication method? Suppose we are having two equations of linear equation in two variables. These are standard equations. C2 is equal to 0. Now, from these equations, we have to find values of x and y using cross multiplication method. For this, we will take x, y, 1. For x, leaving coefficient of x, b1, b2. Now, c1, c2. After this, a1, a2. Again, b1, b2. Now, multiply it. X upon b1, c2. Now from here to here, we will minus b2, c1 is equal to y upon c1, a2. Now downside to upside minus c2, a1. After this, 1 upon a1, b2 minus a2, b1. We are using this pattern, that's why we are calling it cross multiplication method. Now, taking first and last term, we will find value of x. From first and last term, value of x, skipping this will become in multiplication. X will equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Similarly, for y, it is in division. Here it will be multiplication. C1 a2 minus C2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is our cross multiplication method. Using this method, we will find values of x and y. One more condition is there. Recall, we have studied exercise 3.2. If on comparing the coefficients of x and y, if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then equations will have unique solution. Second case, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. If condition is this, then there will be infinite many solutions. Third condition, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then there is no solution. This is very important concept, and from this concept question mostly comes in board exam. So first of all, today we will study this concept only. Using this concept, we have to solve our first question of exercise. Let's see its first question. First part, x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equal to 0. Comparing these with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now on comparing a1, like this is our first equation. A1 coefficient of x is 1, B1 minus 3, C1 is equal to minus 3, A2 3, B2 minus 9, C2 minus 2. Now, using this concept, compare these ratios. A1 by A2 is equal to 1 by 3, B1 by B2 minus 3 by minus 9 means B1 by B2 will equal to minus cancel out 1 by 3, C1 by C2 minus 3 by minus 2 minus cancel out C1 by C2 3 by 2. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. So according to this, there is no solution, means there is no solution of these equations. We have to solve that equation using cross multiplication method, where we will get this condition and where unique solution is there. If this condition is there, or second condition A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2 is there, then we can't find solutions. So in this case, there is no solution. This is our first question, first part. In second part of question number first, what is given? 2x plus y is equal to 5, 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. These two equations are given. First of all, we will arrange these equations according to our standard equations. सबसे पहले हम इनको स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशंस की तरह अरेंज करेंगे. इन आवर स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 means we have to bring equal to 0. So 2x plus y will become minus 5, 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Comparing with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, we will get a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to minus 5 and a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 2, C2 is equal to minus 8. Now comparing ratios, a1 by a2 means 2 by 3, b1 by b2 means 1 by 2, because a1 by a2 these two are not equal to b1 by b2. So there is a unique solution, or you can write there exists a unique solution. If unique solution is there, now using cross multiplication method we will find values of x and y. Now by cross multiplication method, x, y, 1, if x is there then leaving x. अब x है तो x के साथ जो भी कोफिशिएंट है उसको छोड़ के नेक्स्ट कोफिशिएंट, नेक्स्ट इज b1, b2, after this c1, c2, then a1, a2, then repeat b1, b2. Now cross multiplying. We have to use this method, putting these values B1 is 1, B2 is 2. C1 is minus 5, C2 is minus 8. Why? A1 is 2, A2 is 3, 1. B1 is 1, B2 is 2. Then cross multiplying these. X upon plus 1 multiplied by minus 8. Minus 8 will come. Minus. Because we have to move downward to upward, then minus sign will come. 2 multiplied by minus 5, minus 10. Then equal to y minus 5 multiplied by 3, minus 15, minus, now minus 8 multiplied by 2, minus 16. After this 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 minus will come, 3 into 1, 3. Then x minus 8 minus plus 10 is equal to y upon minus 15 minus plus 16 is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3, 1. Now, taking x minus 8 plus 10, 2 will come. Y upon minus 15 plus 16, 1 is equal to 1 by 1. Taking first and last or comparing first and last, we have to compare this term, variable term with constant term. X by 2 is equal to 1 by 1, means x is equal to 2. Y by 1 is equal to 1 by 1, means y is equal to 1. So, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of given equations. This is our answer. First question, third part. Equations are 3x minus 5y is equal to 20, 6x minus 10y is equal to 40. सबसे पहले हम इन कांस्टेंट टर्म्स को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेके आएंगे. 3x minus 5y, this plus 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. In second equation, 6x minus 10y, this plus 40 will become minus 40 is equal to 0. Now comparing with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to minus 5, c1 is equal to minus 20, a2 is equal to 6, b2 is equal to minus 10, c2 is equal to minus 40. Now comparing ratios, a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 6, means a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now b1 by b2 minus 5 by minus 10, minus cancel out, 5 ones are 5 twos are, means b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now c1 by c2 minus 20 divided by minus 40, minus cancel out, 0 0, 2 ones are 2 twos are, c1 by c2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now because a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, so these equations have infinite many solutions.